You will need to provide details such as your full name, date of birth, gender, marital status, occupation, and your employer's information. In addition, you'll also need to write down your ID number, phone number, and home address. Hello friends, welcome back. Today we're here at the ABC Bank and we are going to show you how you can open a bank account. Let's get started. Alright, so our story begins with a garment worker who has been working for several years but has never had her own bank account. Her employer requires that she be paid via bank transfer, but she doesn't trust the safety of carrying large amounts of cash. She decides it's time to change and go to the bank to open her first bank account. For today's example, we'll show you all the steps involved in opening an account step by step. This way you will know exactly what to do when you go to the bank. In order to open a bank account, the first thing you need to bring with you is your national ID card or passport. These are two official documents that can prove your identity. If you have a passport, it usually means that you're a foreigner, and if you have a national ID, it usually means that you're a Cambodian citizen. In this video, we will focus on opening an account for Cambodians. However, if you're a foreigner, don't worry because the process is similar. The only difference is that you must use a passport instead of a national ID. Once you arrive at the bank, find a teller and tell them that you would like to open a bank account. They will give you an application form, which is this document right here. It may seem very long and complicated, but most of the questions are pretty simple. There are about 8 pages total, so try to pay attention to each question and write down the correct information. You will need to provide details such as your full name, date of birth, gender, marital status, occupation, and your employer's information. In addition, you'll also need to write down your ID number, phone number, and home address. Don't forget to double-check everything before submitting the form to the bank. So let me ask you, have you ever filled out a bank account application form? If so, please share your experience in the comments below. Now that you've filled out the application form, it's time for the next step. But before we move on, let me quickly introduce myself. Hi, my name is... Your name? I work as a credit analyst at a microfinance institution. And in this video series, I want to help people like you improve their financial literacy and make better financial decisions. If you watch until the end, I promise there will be a special gift waiting for you, so make sure you stay tuned. The next thing you need to do is deposit your initial balance into your new bank account. Each bank has its own rules and requirements for the minimum balance you must deposit. For example, the ANZ Bank requires a minimum deposit of just $5, while the ABay Bank requires a minimum of $10. This is very important because banks want to ensure that customers who open accounts are serious about using their services. It also helps banks to avoid unnecessary fees associated with maintaining inactive accounts. However, this minimum balance requirement is only necessary when you first open your account. After that, you can deposit and withdraw funds as much as you like. In addition, you may also need to pay a service fee depending on the type of account you are opening. But don't worry because the fee is not expensive. For instance, at the Aklida Bank, you only need to pay 50 cents per month. So let's say you've already deposited the minimum amount of money into your new account. What happens next? Once you've deposited the minimum balance into your new account, the bank teller will give you a receipt as proof of your transaction. Then they will issue you an account book and an ATM card. The account book allows you to keep track of your transactions. It lists all your deposits and withdrawals. On the other hand, an ATM card is a tool that lets you access your money anytime you want. You can use it to withdraw money from ATMs or purchase goods and services at stores. In addition, some banks will also ask you to take a picture for their records. This is optional, so if you don't want to have your picture taken, you can always ask them not to. And now the moment you've been waiting for. Here's how you can check your balance. To check your balance, simply insert your card into the ATM. Select the language, then choose the option to check your balance. And voila! You can now see how much money is in your account. Congratulations! Now you know how to open a bank account and check your balance. It was easy, wasn't it? As promised, let's take a quick look at the documents you'll need to open an account. We made a checklist graphic to help you remember everything. Make sure you have these documents ready before going to the bank. Opening a bank account might seem like a daunting task, but in reality, it's quite simple. With just a few documents and a small deposit, you can have your own bank account in no time. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching it, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this video series so far. If you want to learn more about how to manage your finances effectively, I highly recommend checking out this video right here. I'm confident that you'll find it just as useful as the other videos in this series. So go ahead and click on that link and take the next step towards achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your journey to financial success. You should definitely open a bank account because it's really beneficial for you. Here are 3 reasons why. First, having a bank account gives you safety because it keeps your money safe and secure. Second, having a bank account gives you convenience because it allows you to pay bills and make purchases easily. Finally, having a bank account gives you opportunity because it allows you to apply for loans and credit cards to help you achieve your financial goals. So what are you waiting for? Go open a bank account today and enjoy all the benefits it has to offer. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you found it informative and useful. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of our future videos. Once again, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and goodbye.